So this is the NLG Rope Pro bucket, manufactured from the Innervis material again. So again, you know, abrasion resistant outer layer, you've got the high vis green inner layer just to help with that visibility inside. So it gives it a nice supple feel, but it's super durable as well as being lightweight. On the bottom of this bucket, we've got an additional abrasion resistant layer there as well, just so when you're dumping it down on the ground, it gives it that extra wear capacity. We've got load rated daisy chain on 2 lots of that on the outside of the bucket. Each daisy chain loop is load rated to 5 kg. So we've got the technical information. On the back, we have the ID window, which is accessed from the inside. And the way a lot of people use this is they'll put the colour of rope, the length of rope that they've got in here, just so in any scenario it's really easily visible what's on inside the bag. You've got the grab handle here. So again, this has got the plastic outer coating, and the way guys will use that, obviously a grab handle, but also means you can run it off a gear loop if you're running it off your harness as well. Keeps the bag nice and close there. So the lift points on the Rope Pro bucket are the 2 orange handles. The load rating on the bucket is 50 kg and the capacity of the bucket is 30 litres. So grab these 2 handles, lift them up, that's a 50 kg capacity there. On the inside, so before we even get onto the inside, we've got the compression strap on the top. And again, this goes back to the way that we have to test our product as a safety product with a 2-to-1 inverted load. So that means it has to take 100 kg upside down. The only way we can achieve that is by having the compression strap. Again, we know that not everyone wants a compression strap on the top of their bag. So when you unhook this, you also have a gated G-hook on the other end, and it means you can actually unclip that and take that off altogether. You've got colour coordinated G-hooks, so obviously green G-hook, green loop, black G-hook, black loop. So I want to keep it on, so I'm going to leave that on. We've got the roll top closure system, so I'm going to pop that open, unroll that. Full size apron on this, so it means that I can pull this back and I can get 100% access to the bag there. And then inside the bag, we've got the rope loop, so I can have my 2 ropes. I can tie the ends off separately, so I always know where the end of the rope is. We've got the reinforced base plate, integrated base plate installed here. And then you can also see the drain vents in the bottom of the bag there. Drain vents obviously allow water to seep out if we've got damp or wet gear. Got the load rated D-rings inside, so this is for 100% tie off, so I can attach, you know, all my tool lanyards and gear, so I can have everything attached to the bucket. I've got 6 of those inside the bucket. So with the Innervis material that you've seen there with the high-vis green, it's obviously a softer material, and that means that it doesn't have enough structure that the bucket will actually stand up by itself, and we know that's a really important thing to make it easy to work with. The bucket needs to stand up, and you can see with this one here that it is standing up. So what we've got in the Rope Pro bucket is we have an integrated solid top ring, which keeps the top of that bucket with that nice shape, and also we have 2 internal spines in the bucket, which mean that it has enough structure, but also is really easy to compress and compact when it comes to transporting or transiting this. So we can we'll open that up, let the air flow out, and the way it works is you literally just twist and push. So I twist and push like so, and my bag is now, as you can see, super compact, easy to stow away and transport. When I want to get it out again, I just snap it like so, and the spines will stand up into their place, and the bucket then retains goes back to its original shape. So that there is the NLG Rope Pro bucket.